Let me live. We already hit. Eggs already hit. All right, NQ night 1 for 1. ES night 1 for 1. NQ early already 1 for 1. Let's freaking go. Already 1 for 1 on NQ early. I also have Vizzy up, but I don't know. Oh, Vizzy's in a long too. I gotta change this. Green 250 on Vizzy. I mentioned this in the group that where we were placement wise. All right, Vizzy's green, 330 on this long. Let's go, 430 on the Vizzy long. Let's go, 475. 475. One trade, green, $475. ES London is in a long. Good morning, good morning. It is Wednesday, March 20th. Guaranteed green on this move here. Good morning. Good morning. This is Vizzy. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. I go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30. Oh, perfect. 1875. Yesterday, Vizzy made 1875. I think both are actually valid in this. Thank you, Kyle. Today's FOMC, so we should get some nice volatility. I feel like my mouse, I might need to get a new mouse. I changed the batteries not long ago. What's up, Corey? This long was green 475. So if you ever run Vizzy and you just want to take profit, you can do that. You can move up the trail.
Order canceled.
You can just push close on the chart trader and just, that's your one trade for the day. Like, okay, I just made $400 on one trade in seconds. NQ early
Order
already
submitted.
hit. NQ early already hit here. So 1 for 1 on NQ early, 1 for 1 on NQ
Order
night,
submitted.
1 for 1 on ES night. Overnight, the ES premium zones was 1 for 1. We're in another long on Vizzy here. Hold on. I was like, let me load Vizzy. It is FOMC. Like, let's get it right. And the parameters that I like were intact, so. Nice job. All right, where is that email? Oh, you know what I need to also. If you have any questions, just put them in. Hi, good morning, Hip Jump. How are you? So we're in this long on Vizzy, green 265. The first one hit the offset here and then got back in another long. The first trade did go green 475. So if you had taken, what you could do, let me show you for an example. You could take this stop loss and move it up and click it and put it wherever you want, at least as long as it's behind the trade and not in front of it. So you could have taken $400 on that first trade. This one just went to 230. If you want to manually intervene with the algo, you can. You have the ability to do that, which is one of the rules with Apex. Speaking of, Apex is still doing 80% off evaluation accounts right now with a 1-day pass. So you could go grab an eval with a 1-day pass ability, and you could honestly pass it today during FOMC. A lot of people will run Santa during FOMC, and it's a great idea because
order submitted.
ES early is in a trade because we're in a short on ES early, about to hit target here. Because Santa does really well with a lot of volatility, and there's going to be a lot of volatility when it comes to
target filled.
When it comes to the FOMC report, and then Powell speaking later today. get the mentorship. All right, so NQ early 1-for-1, ES early 1-for-1, NQ night 1-for-1, ES night 1-for-1. I need some apples in the chat. Also, historically, Oracle does well on FOMC days, so I'm excited to see that today. I have that running on a bunch of my accounts. All right, so we're 4-for-4 so far on the day on standard algorithms. All right, I was responding to an email that somebody sent. The VPS also allows you to access your NinjaTrader on the go. So on another laptop or phone or iPad, you can always access it. If you don't have the VPS, you have to keep your PC on 24/7 and you cannot see the info, access the platform anywhere other than that home PC. All right, cool. If you get Rhythmic, remember, if you purchase Rhythmic accounts from Apex, you can set a daily max loss and a max goal. So if you put in a max goal of $300 and your account is green $300 in one trade, it will take you out of the trade and it will turn everything off, and you will have made $300 on the day without being around your computer, without being home, without being awake. So there is that benefit to Rhythmic. There is a max loss for the day and a max gain. You can also do that if you have a cash account on the NinjaTrader portal. They allow you to do that. But that is not an option with the Tradeovate Apex accounts. So just be aware of that. All right, let me send this email. Thank you. Oh,
Order
it's just
submitted.
the contact. Got it, got it, got it.
Order canceled.
Where are we in? What order canceled? Maybe over here? Oh, yeah, over here. All right, cool. Cool, cool, cool. I need to add the... All right, I'll do that later today. Hi, good morning. It is 9:38 on Wednesday. Today is FOMC. Okay, just here. Got it. Sounds good, laid back. I miss you. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. I wonder if it doesn't show anything before I click over there like that, but I could be wrong. Also, if you're around later today, Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. Kyle will be live tonight from 6 to 9 p.m. And Will be live from 3 to 5. Yes, the algorithm still works if you have a Tradeovate account. Yes, I've gotten this question quite a bit lately. Yes, it still works if you have a Tradeovate account. Correct. Because Tradeovate was bought by NinjaTrader. So honestly, they're the same company now, you could say. Nice short here. Nice move down.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Ooh, nice. I like this.
Order filled.
I don't know if this is the bigger one or if the other one's the bigger one.
Order filled.
Who doesn't like that sound? Okay.
Target filled.
Nice. There we go.
Stop filled.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go. Ooh, we got a second trade on NQ early. NQ early had a second trade. Hi, Bob. You want to push the button? My bub is still homesick from school. You want to push the button? Hi. Come here. What's wrong? Your belly hurt? What? Why do you keep holding your belly like that? Huh? Okay. Okay. No one's gonna want to hear it that much. That's way too much. Way too much. Thank you. No. All right. You ready to go to school? Because you seem like you're in... Hey, if you want to play that out there, you can. You cannot keep pushing it in here. Go ahead. You want to go out there with it? Or no? Or you want to stay with me in here? I can't keep pushing that. Okay? Are you bullish or bearish?
Order submitted.
Huh? Are you bullish or bearish? Tell me right now.
I speak Japanese.
That makes no sense.
Order filled.
I need answers, little boy.
Order canceled. Stop filled.
500 on that. Let's go. I want this short. Where are we at, FYI? Oh, yeah, we still got a ways to go. We still got a ways to go, okay? Well, let's go.
Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Nice. 900 on that. It loves those 75. I try to move this down. I don't want the offset. I want the full target. Okay. There we go.
Target filled.
There we go. Target filled. Target filled. You're at the dealership. What are you getting? Let's go. Let's freaking go. I want this short, okay? I want to go all the way back down to 34. 22. I want to go to 22. Let's go. Green, green, green. Green, green, green. We're dropping. You guys, we're in this Oracle short. Who's in this Oracle short with me? Guaranteed green. Guaranteed green. Let's go. Let's keep dropping. I want that full $1,000, okay? I want all of it. I want all the dollars. Let's go. We can easily go down to like 30. See, and this is where being a student is really helpful because you know where the levels are. You know what's happening. You know where the levels are. This is the first trade on the day with Oracle. Green, $400. You could take your profit here if you wanted to by pushing close. $450. I wouldn't. I'm going for at least 30. Like we have a level at 30. Oh, I have a level here too at 52, but then I have another level at 35. So that's where being a student really helps with this. No, I cannot. That's like a split. I cannot do that. I cannot do that. $425 on this short. Let's go. Let's go. This short is sexy. I took it a few times manually on my PA accounts. And then I'm in the shorts on my eval. Great, great, great. Let's keep dropping. Let's go. Tap that screen, guys. If you tap the screen, we'll drop. We've got to break 50. We got to break 51. Can we break 51? If we can break 51, we can go to 35. Bonton took it at that 50. Well, it's already 10 points for him. This is one of the secondary student plays. We'll tell.
Take it down. Take it
Oh,
down.
okay. Okay. There you go. Are you cold?
Yeah.
All right, I'll put the heat up. Put that blanket on you, okay? Why don't you just go back in the bed, Bob, with the heating pad? Why don't you take it back in the bed? Green, 265 on the short. We got to drop. We got to break that 50. Can we break 51? Can we come back down and break 51? I'm satisfied. Good. People are posting the results. Nice job, Irma. Because of the day, because of FOMC, she's done 352. Will, nice job. Still in this short. Let's go. Oh, what, Miguel? I don't remember what I said. Oh, maybe the DJing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go. Let's break 51. We got to break 51. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Here we go, 54. Again, we're open here until 35. We just got to break this 51. We got to break 51 and we can go to 35. Nice job, guys. So proud of all of you. Here we go. This is my other account. 56. Come on. Break, break, break. We went as low as 48. See if we can get back under 51 to 48. Here we go. We're at 53. We're at 52. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I need you guys tapping that screen. You got to tap or we're not going to get the move. 50. We're at 50. $500 on the short. $500 on the short. We're at 52. We broke it. We broke it. Come on, we're at 48. We're at 47. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Next is 35. Let's go, let's go. And this is what it's going to be like. When I start doing these calls with my students only in the morning, this is what it's going to be like. The target here is 22. So if you know that there's a strong level at 35, you could take this and move it up and say, okay, well, I'm happy taking my profit if it gets to 35. You know what I mean? You don't have to do that, but could you? You could be like, okay, I'm going to do this or whatever. But the ultimate target is 22. You could also take this and do this. Nice job, guys. Lots of people posting their results. We got to get back under 51. If we can get under 51. Nice job, Dal. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. There's 14 of you and only 4 likes on YouTube. That is a pitiful. We're at 52, 51, 50. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, Tino's like, I'm done for the day. I think this was the older version because, what time is it? 9:50. I might put
Order
one here.
submitted. Order submitted.
We're nowhere near that line, but we are above that. Let's go back down. Ready for the student room. I'll go live at 3 to make up for the morning live. Yeah, for sure. Sounds good. Great day. Nice job, Scott. All right, come on. 56, 55, 54. Let's drop. I want that $1,000. I want it. 54. You know they're going to try to hold the price a little bit. There we go. 52. 51. Bless you, baby. 51.
Stop filled.
Oh, I pulled out my eval. Come on. It was just back at 51. This is my cash. It keeps reverting. Let's go. 57. Gotta break 51. Listen, I know my levels, okay? If we break it, we're going to 35. And then we'll see what happens there. But that's the next bus stop. Ugh. I wonder how my PAs are doing. So my one PA, both PAs are over 51,000. I might just take profit here. We'll see. This one is green as 500 at one point.
Order canceled.
All right, I moved it lower than the trail. If it goes down, whatever. But yesterday I could have locked up essentially $300 on every trade. To become a student, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com, and say you want more information about the mentorship. If you're already in the group, you can just message me or Amy. It's a one-time payment of $1,500. We do a pre-market breakdown call every day from 8:45 to 9:15 a.m. And then we do manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. every day. And then we also do, we have student chat. I provide the chop zone, which is a proprietary zone. That's what this is. Talked about this level today as being a long play for my students. Nice job. My students are grabbing the money. All right. So here's some results today. So mine, 2 PAs. Great day for Scott. $800 across all of his accounts. Nice. Dell, 600 to 300 across his accounts. Jason, done for the day, passed the eval. Nice job. A few hundred for him. Oracle, ES and ES early. What do you mean Oracle ES? Oracle ES is not a thing. You mean NQ. Oh, and took one trade at the NQ Open, done and done, not risking more profits on FOMC. $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6,000 for Dana. Dana's going to be presenting in Vegas. So if you're a student, there's still like technically 2 spots left, but definitely 1 spot left for Vegas. So if you want more information on Vegas, let me know. There's also a flyer in the student group. Charlie, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We already showed Irma and Will. This is Dana before. Cool. He took one trade there. Nice job, Rick. So if you're an algo member, you have access to the student stuff as long as you're an algo member. If you just sign up for the student, so this was the student play here, the long at 51, and it's up 20 points now. If you just sign up for the mentorship, like you're brand new to the group, you sign up for the mentorship, you get 1 month included with all of the student benefits. So you get the chop zone, you get the student calls, you get the manual alerts, all of that, and the student chat for 1 month included with your payment of the video. So it's a $1,500 payment that includes all of the 16 hours worth of videos, as well as the pre-market call, the manual alerts, the student chat, and the chop zones for a month. And then after that month, if you want to stay in the student access portion, it's $800 a month. But if you're an algo member, which is $1,000 a month, you don't pay anything extra for the student access as long as you've purchased the mentorship. So you could essentially you could be an algo member and a student at $1,000 a month. You get everything the students get as long as you've paid for the mentorship, and you get the access to the algos, where again, this morning we're already 6 for 6. NQ night hit, ES night hit, NQ early hit, ES early hit, and Oracle most likely would have hit, well, I don't know if it hit the offset yet, but Oracle was a guaranteed win. So does that answer your question, Jazzy? Peeps out there, the algos are so worth the extra $200, right? It's like especially now that Oracle's been rolled out. The mentorship is money on top of money on top of money, and then Oracle and the algos they're just so good. But the mentorship is really teaching you how to trade, what you're looking for, what to spot, all that stuff. No RTY trades. That short under, I took the short under 76 or whatever. It was really nice. I took it a few times manually. Nice job, Wilson. Okay. That's not, Peter, that's not that. Two different things. If you have any questions, just put them in chat. Joel, he's usually always on TikTok. Joel, are you on TikTok right now? Joel, day 10, MNQ on Santa and NQ Oracle manual. Took the profit early. Look at this. Day 10, he's already passed evals. He's making all this money. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $1,300 for Joel, and he's in the TikTok chat right now. Down Bad Trader shutting it down for the day. BoldBot keeping my vacations funded. He's on vacation, making $4,000. $4,000 on vacation. Okay? Vizzy's in a long for $200. If I knew what I knew now, 6 months ago when I first seen Jen on live, I would have signed up that day. Right, Tino? It's crazy how long people will wait to sign up. It's like, y'all, what are you risking? You're risking the Apex account that you bought. So go spend $30 on an Apex account. And then you're risking, the $500 trial. That's it. I thought we already did that. We definitely already did that. I wonder if it changed. It is 9:59. We'll hang out for a bit longer. Sure thing. If you want more information on either the algos or the mentorship, just email me. Specify what you're interested in when you email. That would be awesome. Ooh, we're back down in the 50s. What's this eval at too? The eval's green 51,000, so I just need another 2,000. I could get that today with
Order filled.
honestly with Santa later today. Let's be honest, things are probably going to chop up here now that it's 10 o'clock. We got our little movie move that we talked about on the student call. Actually got it a few times. Thanks. $500 for 3 weeks paid for itself in 2 days. Exactly. Exactly. They're going to chop between 50 and 65 here for the next like 4 hours. And that's where people get all of their money taken back because they're like, oh, it looks like it's moving, and then it doesn't actually move. Because it's FOMC. And they're not going to do anything now until 2 p.m. I would love if they broke 50 and dropped to 35, but don't know if it's going to happen. We're at 57 now. It's at 55, 54. It's 10:02 on Wednesday, March 20th. FOMC. See, it went to 54 and back up to 62. That's what it's going to do now. It's just going to range bound until later. We talked about this on the student call, though. All right. I don't know if anything else. I run TradeVate and Rhythmic. Get TradeVate, much better fills when using the bots. Yeah, I agree. TradeVate is better, but if you want that turn off when you hit, profit or loss, you can't have that on TradeVate. So that's only a Rhythmic option, or it's a full cash account option. All right, Vizzy's still in this long. ES London is still in a long. Everything else is green except for NQ Zones is red overnight, like $600. All right, YouTube, I'm going to just put a whole bunch of commercials because no one's hitting the thumbs up. I was like, please. All right. Nothing else really happening here. I'll probably get off soon because it's the first 30 minutes is all you get for FOMC. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. Will be live from 3 to 5 p.m. Kyle will be live from 6 to 9 p.m. Make sure you check them out. Is YouTube going to be the MySpace of Facebook to Facebook? Probably. I don't know. YouTube can be good. YouTube, like, I use YouTube a lot still, even personally, but they've started adding in so many more commercials. Like, I don't think the person did it. I feel like it's just more of a thing that they did. Oh, is gold running? Yeah, y'all can keep gold. I love oil so much more than I love gold. This is the long off of 51 that I gave my students. It's happened like 3 times now. It went up 10 points first, then it went up 20 points, and now it's up another 15 or 18 points. And it said Oracle and Vizzy can pay rent in 15 damn minutes. It's so true. Oh yeah, I'm in this Vizzy long. Still, $100 and $200. Honestly, you can grab, the first run on Vizzy was $475. $475. Very exclusive. I can't wait for Vegas. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. What's up? Jared, I just messaged you. Genuinely, we put up the exclusive Vegas chat. It's really fun. Next year, we're going to do Tampa. But listen, next year's going to be more expensive. Let's be honest. It's going to be a higher demand. Higher demand, higher cost. Okay. But it's going to be in Tampa. I've already decided that. Even though I know nothing about Tampa. Other than it's on the East Coast, and they have casinos, and other stuff. Who was I just going to message? Oh, Peter. That's who I was messaging. I've never been to New Orleans. New Orleans? I've never been there. What a surprise. We're back to 63. No, that's not true. Because if that was true, then you might as well do the body down there. La. New Orleans. It's 10:10. Well, so then you might as well do it like this. It's just like, ooh, all right, let's see if Fizzy wants to move up here. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the thumbs up on YouTube. Thanks for all the roses, Daniel. That's so sweet. It's 10:11. I'm going to wrap this up. We're not going to get any action. This is exactly what I told the students. I love it, Dana. I can't wait to learn from Dana in Vegas. Listen, I feel like I know a lot, but I'm always open to learning more. Especially about volume. Who can teach me more about volume? Because I am such a noob when it comes to volume. I don't know. Thanks, Kevin. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for joining me. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. And then will be live from 3 to 5 p.m. Kyle will be live from 6 to 9 p.m. So check them out on TikTok only. Thanks for joining. I'll be back tomorrow.